It's also new. A federal judge has ordered the immediate release of lawful refugees detained by immigration enforcement in Minnesota.
That judge also granted an order designed to prevent the arrest of refugees who haven't been charged with a crime but are still waiting on proof of permanent residency. Richard Reeve is live at the Whipple Federal Building with what this ruling means and when they could get out. Rich.
Yeah, Lindsay, it could be as soon as tonight. Now, we haven't seen anybody released here from the Whipple building in the time that we have been here, but this is a ruling that could have an effect far beyond Minnesota borders.
Traitors!
Groups of protesters and chain link fences surround the Whipple building, a holding center for ICE detainees. But now a legal victory for lawful refugees detained by federal agents.
So could some of these folks be released like today?
Yes. Not only that, but the court order specifies under what conditions they're to be released.
In this ruling, federal judge John Tumheim says refugees have a legal right to be in the United States, a right to work, a right to live peacefully, and not to be subjected to the terror of being arrested or detained without warrants or cause.
The judge said the government doesn't have authority to detain lawfully present refugees who have not adjusted to legal permanent residency, if that's the only ground of their detention.
Madeline Lohman, with the nonprofit Advocates for Human Rights, estimates there are now between 100 and 250 lawful refugees detained in Minnesota, now in federal custody. But she says there could be more, and a timeline on their release is unclear.
We don't know exactly the number because DHS won't release any information about who they're detaining, why they're detaining them.
The order requires the government to bring back people it's moved to out-of-state facilities. It also says ICE has to stop arresting lawful refugees, people who've applied for admission to the U.S. from their home countries who experts say have already been vetted.
They have gone through at least 2 levels of interviewing abroad, and then they have been vetted by multiple U.S. agencies to check criminal background, national security threats.
Now, the government is expected to appeal, but this ruling is to remain in place unless a higher court issues a stay. Now, we did reach out to ICE to find out if they had a comment, try to find out how many refugees are being held at this point. We have not heard back. Reporting live, Richard Reeve, 5 Eyewitness News.